Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let us start with the last exercise of chapter profit or loss. So we have covered exercise 33 in our previous video lecture, and today we will be starting with practice set number 34. So what is given in the question is using the figure given below, frame problem based on profit percent or loss percent and solve the problem. So we have to frame problems based on profit percent or loss percent, and we have to solve that problem. Okay, so let us start with first sum. And if you guys are liking my video lecture, do subscribe my channel on YouTube. So the cost price is 1600 rupees. So the cost price says 1600 and the selling price is 2800. Selling price is 2800. So by comparing cost price and selling price, we can come to know that in this case there is a profit. Correct? So first we need to find out profit, which formula is selling price minus cost price. So this is 2800 minus 1600. So if you deduct 28 minus 16, so that will be 1200. Okay, so in this case we have a profit of 1200 rupees. Now our problem is based on profit percent or loss percent. So in in problems where you are having profit, you will be having profit percent, and in cases where there is a loss, there will be loss percentage. Okay, so we have profit over here, so let's find out profit percent. So profit percent formula is profit divided by cost price into 100. Profit is 1200 rupees, cost price is 1600 rupees into 100. Let us cancel this. This 20 get cancelled. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 0 0. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 0 0. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 5s are 10, 0. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 1 get carried, 2 5s are 10. So we have 75 over here. This 100 got cancelled and we have 1 over here. So we have a profit percent of 75. So you have 75 percentage of profit. Okay, let's move on to sum number 2, which says cost price is 2000. Cost price is equal to 2000, whereas selling price is equal to 1900. So in this case we can clearly see our selling price is lower than cost price, which means we have incurred a loss over here. So we first need to find out loss, which is equal to cost price minus selling price, which is equal to 2000 cost price minus 1900 selling price, which is equal to 100 rupees. Now we have a loss of 100 rupees in this case. So we also need to find out the loss percentage, the formula for which is loss divided by cost price into 100. Loss is 100 rupees, cost price is 2000, which you need to take it over here and multiplied by 100. So this 20 get cancelled over here, this 20, this 10 10, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So you have a loss of 5% in this case. Okay, let's move on to sum number 3. So cost price of 8 article is 1200 each. So basically cost price of one article is 1200. Yeah, each, and selling price is also 1400 each. Selling price also given for one item, which is 1400, and we have 8 articles. Okay, So we need to find out whether there is a profit or loss and profit percent or loss percent. So if we compare cost price of 1 to selling price of 1, so we can come to know there is a profit, correct? So what we can do, you can directly find out profit, or else there is another way. You can find out total cost price of 8 article, which will be 12 into 8, which is 9600, correct? Then you can find out total selling price of 8, which will be, now how we got this, 1200 into 8. Similarly, selling price we will get 1400 into 8. So which will be 11,200. So selling price is higher, which means we have a profit, which is selling price minus cost price. So we have 11,200 minus 9,600. So this will be 1600 rupees. We have a profit of 1600 in this case, and our profit percentage will be equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Our profit is 1600, our cost price is 9600 into 100. This 200 get cancelled, this 20 get cancelled. Okay, now we have to do the cancellation. So 2 4s are 8, 1 get carried over here, so 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 0 0, 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 4s are 0 0, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2s are 0 0, 2 6s are 2 1s are 0 0, 2 3s are 2 5s are 0. Now 50 and 3 does not get cancelled. It cannot be cancelled because in the table of 3 you do not have 50. So this will be 3 1s are 3, 2 is remainder, 0 will come down, 3 6 are 18, you get 2, you need to take point over here, you can take 0, 3 6 are 18, again remainder is 2, we can take 0, 6 6. So after point you can stop after 2 number. So we have a profit of 16.66 percentage. So in many sums for class 6th student, this kind of cancellation might be a difficult task. So in case if you are not able to understand this calculation or cancellation, do let me know in the comment section. I can make a separate video on this, how to do the cancellation and how to check whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, so let's move on to sum number 4. So cost price of 50 kg grain is 2000. So cost price of 50 kg is 2000 and selling price is 43 per kg. So now what they have given is cost price of 50 kg is 2000. So or else we do not actually require cost price per kg. We can find out total selling price of 50 kg. Okay, total selling price of 50 kg will be quantity into rate. Quantity is 50 kg, rate is 43 because we have purchased 50 kg, right? So this will be 2150. Okay, so the cost price is 2000 and our selling price is 2150. So our selling price is higher, so we have a profit in this case. Which is 2150 minus 2000, so which is equal to 150 rupees. So there is a profit of 150 rupees in this case. So now we need to find out profit percentage, which will be equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. So profit is 150, cost price is 2000 into 100. So this 2 0 get cancelled, this 0 get cancelled, this 0. Now we have 15 divided by 2. So 15 divided by 2, you can do the division. 2 sevens are 14, 1. You do not have any number over here. You can take point over here and 0. And then 2 fives are 10. So that's your answer, 7.5 percentage profit percent. Okay. Let's move on to sum number 5. Cost price is 8600. Then transport charges is 250 rupees. And then there is a porterage charges of 150 rupees. And the selling price is 10,000. So after purchasing that particular item for 8,600, the shopkeeper had to incur some expenses on transport and porterage. So our total cost price will be cost price plus transport plus porterage charges. So which will be equal to 8,600 plus 250 plus this 150 rupees. Okay. 250, this will be 400. So your total cost price will become 9,000 after adding this 3 number. Okay. This will come to 9,000 your total cost price. Now your selling price is 10,000, so definitely you have a profit which is equal to selling price minus cost price. Your selling price is 10,000 minus cost price of 9,000, so you have a profit of 1,000 rupees. Now when you have to find out profit percentage, that will be profit divided by CP into 100. So you have a profit of 1,000, your cost price is 9,000 into 100. This 20, this 20, 1, 1. Now what you have is 100 upon 9, right? Now this cannot be cancelled, so you need to do the division. 9 ones are 9, 1, 0, 9 ones are 9, 1. You do not have any number, you can take point and 0. 9 ones are 9, and this will go on and on. So that is 11.11%. You can stop after 2 digit after the point के बाद 2 नंबर के बाद आप stop कर सकते हो division. Okay, that's it. So let's move on to sum number 6, last sum. So there is a seed worth 20,500 rupees. Then there is a labor involved in that of for 9,700, and then there is a chemical and fertilizer for 5,600 rupees, and the selling price is 28,640 rupees. Okay, so सबसे पहले this is seeds, so basically cost price. So सबसे पहले we need to find out total cost price, which is cost price plus labor plus fertilizer cost, which is equal to 20,500 plus 9,700 plus 5,600. So we need to add these numbers. So 5, 6, 11, 7 is 18, 9, 10, 15. So this is equal to 35,800. Okay, so your total cost price is 35,800 and your total selling price is 28,640. Selling price is lower, so there is a loss in this case. So loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Your cost price is 35,800 and this is 28,640. You need to do the subtraction. This will become 0, this will 7, 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 6 is 1, 5, 2, take it from here, 5, 6, 7. That's it. So there is a loss of 7,160 rupees. So now we need to find out loss percentage, which is equal to loss divided by CP into 100. So loss is 7160 divided by cost price, which is equal to 35,800 into 100. So this 20 and this 20 get cancelled. Now you have 7160 divided by 358. Now we need to do the cancellation. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, 2 nines are 18. Correct? 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10, 2 eights are 16, 0. Now 358 divided by 179. So let us find out. 9 fours are 36, 7 fours are 28, 29, 30, 31, 4 on the 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 716, which is higher. So I think we need to try by 2. 9 twos are 18, 7 twos are 14, 15, 2 ones are 2, 3, 358, right? So this is 2, 2s are 358, this will become 0, 0, but this 0 will go over here, so this will become 20. So there is a loss of 20% in this case. Okay, so with this we have completed our chapter profit or loss. In our next video lecture we will be starting with next chapter, which is bank and simple interest. I hope you guys have understood what we have learned, and if you guys are liking our video lecture, do subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. So जल्दी मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में. टिल देन टेक केयर.